Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is with name. Next, I will talk about diversity of Indonesian cuisine. Indonesia has been known for its various typical food made from natural spices originating from the land of Indonesia itself. The cuisine in each region of Indonesia has a different taste and has its own uniqueness. Satay in the archipelago adds to the many types of satay that are adapted to local cuisine. In Indonesian, we can find satay with various versions according to the characteristic of the local area. For example, in the Kebumen area, my village, there is Sate Ambal. History Sate Ambal, Kebumen, is also very interesting to explore. Ambal itself comes from the name of one of the area in Kebumen, Central Java. It is from the area that Sate Ambal is famous because Sate Ambal is made by a satay trader who comes from the Ambal Resmi area. Due to the many chicken satay traders on the side of the southern crossroad area, the aroma of the smoke from grilled chicken meat can arouse the appetite when passing through the area. In my opinion, the chicken satay made by the people of Ambal Resmi village, apart from its distinctive taste, is also unique because the seasoning uses a mixture of soybean tempeh. Because it is made by the Ambal community from generation to generation, this chicken satay is popularly known as Sate Ambal. What makes Sate Ambal different from other chicken satay is the spices served when the satay is eaten. Usually, peanut sauce and soy sauce are used as complement. This satay is widely sold on the coast of Laguna Beach and served with tempeh sauce or tempeh chili sauce. The Ambal satay seasoning look thinner, dark yellow brown in color, and at first glance it looks like Padang cooking sauce. Ambal resident respond, although Sate Ambal has a unique and different taste and has a long history, it seems that the people around the Ambal village area has not had much intention of developing it outside the area. In my opinion, they prefer to develop this culinary in their own area. If Sate Ambal is developed to other area, for example, to big cities, then this type of Sate Ambal will be even more famous in other area. Next, from materi. Next, I will presentation countable nouns by Salsan Hanifah. Yes. Countable nouns. Con- Countable nouns is a word that names something you can physically count and has both singular and plural forms. You can use article like a or an with the singular form and number with the plural form. For example, book, books, table, tables, cat, cats. Next, characteristic of countable nouns. 1. Can be coded in number. One book, two book, three book, etc. 2. Has singular and plural forms. 3. Can be used with words such as a, and, the to indicate one object. 4. Can be used with words such as some, any, many to indicate a non-specific amount. Next, example sentences with countable nouns. I have a book. She has three cats. There are many tables in the classroom. It is important to note that some nouns can become uncountable nouns depending on the context. Next, regular countable nouns. The regular rule pattern for changing singular to plural countable nouns is as follows. Situ ada rules. Ya. Seperti tomats, tomato, tomats. Next, irregular countable nouns. Here are some examples of singular and plural forms of irregular countable noun. Example: singular alga, plural alga. Next, determinant. Determinant in countable nouns. Determiners that can be used with singular and plural countables are as follows. Determiner, article, singular, a or an, the, the, plural, the. Determiner are when the verb, singular, no, plural, many, few, a few, several, a couple of, a large or large number, some, any, a lot of, or lot of. Determiner, demonstrative, singular, this, that, plural, this, thus. Next, example of determiner sentences plus singular or plural countable noun. 1. Singular, can you let me imagine? Plural, can you let me cousins? Singular countable noun have to use indicate, article, a or an, while the plural does not. 2. Singular, she wrote the book when she was 20. Plural, she wrote the book when she was 20. Singular or plural use definite article. The. 3. Singular. There was a visitor in the museum. Plural. There were many visitors in the museum. 4. The apple is from Malang. Plural. Those apple of Malang. Next, example of using many in a sentence. 1. My brother has many toys. 2. Have so many friends. 3. How many comics do you have? 4. There are many animals at Ragunan Zoo. 5. How many oranges do you want to eat? That concludes my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.